Hey there, finance enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of budgeting. You know, that thing that can make even the most exciting activities seem a bit mundane. But remember, it's not about deprivation. It's about being smart with your money and setting yourself up for success. Now, let's get started. First off, track your spending. It's important to understand where your hard-earned cash is going. Next up, create a budget. This doesn't mean you have to be a penny pincher. It just means getting clear on how much you can spend in each category. Then comes the fun part, saving. Yes, you read that right. Saving doesn't have to be boring or daunting. Think of it as a game of achieving small goals and watching your savings grow over time. Finally, if you need a little extra help staying on track, consider setting up automatic payments or transfers to avoid overspending. Remember, budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about being smart and taking control of your finances. So, go out there and make your money work for you. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful and want more finance tips, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Until next time, finance enthusiasts!